In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a permanent Discord invite link. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to create the invite. Make sure you own the server or have permission to manage invite links. Next, click the server name or find the Invite People option near the top of the channel list. Click it to open the invite window. In the invite window, look for Edit Invite Link or the small gear icon next to the link. Click it to open the invite settings. To make the link permanent, change Expire After to Never. Then set Max Number of Uses to No Limit. These settings allow the invite to remain active indefinitely, without limiting how many people can use it. After making these changes, click Generate a New Link. Then select Copy to save the invite to your clipboard. You can now share the link on your website, social media, emails, or anywhere else you want people to join your server. Remember that anyone with the link may be able to join, so share it carefully. You can also revoke or manage the invite later through your server's invite settings. That's it. You've now learned how to make a permanent Discord invite link. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.